Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Once again, welcome to South Africa. Lately, a channel that discusses South African trending news. We do, however, crap here and there from international news. When it is trending enough to be brought here, please do understand that I'm not a politician. I do not have deep knowledge in politics. However, I am a South African citizen who is also a voter. And I do believe that my views count when it comes to political affairs of our beautiful country. Yay, Kansas City politically is about survival. Kansas City politically is about doing whatever to grow or survive or to stay strong at the moment.
Zombisa. Jy het hom bizar nou verdwaal. The water is just here, Petrus, give me 30 seconds, né? Kom op, Patriots! Kom op! Kukurukugu! Kom op! As die mense nog wakker raaso. Skrik alles het wakker. Ons is tussen soos 'n nissen. Ons is binne buite. We not gonna see you later. Ons is hier pres, ek dink die mense is geskok soos wat hulle hier sê. Die mense is geskok, hulle sê nog. Die mense is geskok soos wat hulle. Moenie vyse. En jou paaseke. Daar is hy. Hy by die huis. Ons gaan toe ja. Staan. Ons is familie. Hulle stuur net over ons plat te bak. Wie is hier verraaier? Ek sal hom nooit uitverkoop nie. Nooit. Salut. Ons baie
Hoor julle, ek hoop dit gaan baie goed saam met julle. Jong, dit is vroegoggend hier op die Sea Point of Mully Point promenade. En die enigste ding wat ek op my gedagtes het, is die ding wat gisteraand gebeur het, julle. Ek kom, gou die stukkie bubblegum. Hier. En hier. En dan, ga jy sien. So. Okay. Maar laat ek julle nou vertel, man. Die storie van Liam Jacobs wat nou gisteraand ge-announce word dat hy nou 'n patriot geword het. Dit van die Patriotic Alliance aangekondig deur die pres, soos hulle sê. Kykende in Wombisa of Ashley Souls, die eerste mens. Dit was nou vir my 'n ding wat ek jou waarlik nie vaag met asem het sien kom het. En ek dink eers dit nie, dis fake, dit kan nie wees nie. Hoe sien ek? Nee, wacht. Jy wees die man self sy gesag. En op Dayton sy, as het nou, sy Twitter, of sy X-profile, sy official ene waar hy begin dit te sê Minister of Sports and Culture. Daar is die announcement, daar is die poster. Nou wat gebeur? Liam sê, ons prys hom die hele tyd vir hoe hy regtig 'n nuwe soort MP is wat seker gemaak het dat mense na die portfolio komitees aankom met storieetjies sê en dat hulle geïnterrogeer word oor hoe hulle ons geld spend of uitmors. En hy sê, hier kom sê die chief op, ek weet nou nie eens nou wie dit is nie, van die DA van my met aftoon. Hy moet aftoon. Ons gaan nog met uitvind wat is die storie agter die storie. Maar wat hy toe nou vir ons vertel is, dit was nou vir hom genoeg. En die next moment is daar die announcement van gisteraand op live, soos wat Kaitlyn McKenzie doen, leier van die PA. So wat is nou met uitvind is, wat het regtig gebeur en wie het van wie gefoon? En Liam sê self, kyk net om 'n kind genoem. In die week en nooit hy huis toe gekom na sy pa toe. Okay. Wat sou maak dat die DA voel Liam Jacobs moet 'n bietjie tone down, soos hy sê, as hy die waarheid vertel? En dan wie se benefit sou dit wees as hy dan 'n bietjie tone down? ANC? Of is dit iemand anders? Ander party, ek weet nie. Maar julle sê mos gewoonlik 'n week is 'n lang tyd in die politiek. Clearly, tussen die 10de en die 13de Junie, wat is hy, 3 dae, is net so 'n lang tyd, of 'n langer tyd in die politiek. Julle moet 'n mooi dag hê, dit is Saterdag. Die man begin nou op die regte noot. En blessings vir julle hier van die mooie promenade af. Joh, kyk nou net. Dis die Kaap, man. Daar is hy vir die Kaapie.
Hey guys, this is a post by Getting Mackenzie. You know, I have a confession. All the time, it was difficult for me to see Liam Jacobs as a member of the Democratic Alliance, as an MP of the Democratic Alliance. Something was just not clicking there. As a result, I would make mistakes sometimes and call him the Patriotic Alliance MP. I don't know whether because he is colored or not, but something has always made me feel like he belongs with the Patriotic Alliance. Anyway, guys. Yes, Anna. Hey. You know, we have to stay alert, because a lot is still going to happen as we go into the 2026 local government elections. We're still going to see miracles. The miracles we see right now are not the miracles that we are yet to see. So I want to share with you the video clip of Liam Jacobs going after Getting Mackenzie in that portfolio committee, and we make a big deal about it. We really made a big deal out of that. And today, Getting Mackenzie is posting, "Welcome home, Liam Jacobs. Sana. Can you ever?" Let us go down memory lane. Not so long ago, this happened.
Liam Jacobs, proceed.
Chairperson, I would like to ask the Minister, does he contend that there may be a conflict of interest, Chairperson, between himself, the person who was leading the interview panel, and the Chairperson of the board? Second to that, he has still not answered what his understanding and his rationale is behind appointing these individuals. He has not explained that. He said the act this, he said the act that. He has not explained his rationale. Surely, he has a rationale to act from, Chairperson.
Honorable Liam Jacobs, I cannot describe to the Minister how to respond. The Minister has responded. You have made your point. You have asked a second question. Minister, please respond to the second question.
I want to ask him, does knowing someone, like I know Legal Pinnacle, does he equate knowing someone to a conflict of interest? That is laughable. I know him, I know you, Honorable Chairperson, I know Honorable Liam. Knowing someone does not equal a conflict of interest like I...
That feeling of arriving home, child. Can you see that? See your siblings celebrating with you, your siblings welcoming you. Yes, politically. I've never been entertained by anything like this morning. Unbelievable, says. Anyway, this shows that there are no permanent enemies politically. It is us ordinary people that really fight amongst ourselves. Yes, they do, and they fight seriously, but certain things we must not really join them like that. Anyway, guys, if you've watched up to here, I'd like to say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll be seeing you in my next upload. Sana.